Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3070th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Videos coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That is, well, I thought we were in February for a moment. That is May 13th, 2026. Traders, it's a risky game out there. Risky, risky, risky. Thank the Lord. Yesterday we bought gold on the lows. Great. Well, I should say today for Tuesday. Great trade, Omni. We also bought Russell and it got stopped out. But the amount we made in gold on Tuesday was twice what we lost in Russ. Good job, Omni. Now let's get moving for trading on Wednesday. In last night's video, I mentioned that the target in Tesla is 499. That's a weekly target, Omniacs. I don't know if I mentioned that to you last night. I didn't want to confuse you. I don't expect that to happen right now. This target remains valid unless I change it. We're day traders in our real world, right? E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ, with day traders. So the Omni arrow might be up today, down tomorrow, up the next day, down the next. Whatever that is, it is. This is different, slightly longer term call. This is Tesla call for 499. That remains valid unless I change it. For trading on Wednesday, snap your fingers, traders. That's how quick the Omni arrow flipped. It went from bullish Tuesday to bearish Tuesday night into Wednesday. So we're a seller of rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and or Russell. And don't confuse that with the weekly, this week, next week, on a weekly chart. Our next target should be 499 in Tesla. Day trading, red Omni for trading E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. I wanted to get that out to you right away because the arrow flipped, and I like to get this, that message out to you as soon as I know the arrow flipped. So good luck out there. You'll find me at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. I am more than happy to help you out with anything you need. And remember, stop soar in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the Omni arrow has flipped to a seller of rallies, E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russ. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.